Fine. So in this type of question, whenever you have integration of 1 upon a sin x plus b cos x plus c dx, what you do, you always substitute tan x by 2 is equal to t. Why? Because you can write this sin x as 2t upon 1 plus t square. You can write cos x as 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, and then after you take differentiation of tan of x by 2, you will get 1 plus derivative of tan of x by 2 is what? It is 6 square x by 2 into derivative of x by 2, which is 1 by 2, that is equal to dt upon dx. So ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा? 6 square x you will can write as 1 plus tan square x by 2, okay, dx is equal to 2 dt, and here dx you can write as 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. So you can do it by this way also. Okay, by this way means you can do it ideally by this way. So it is what? 1 upon, what is cos x? Your cos x is 1 minus t square, 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square minus root 3. What is your sin x? Sin x is 2t upon 1 plus t square. And what is your dx? Dx is 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. So very easily you can cancel this, and this, and what you will get? You will get 2 dt upon 1 minus 2 root 3 t minus t square. Now you can bring this in the form of in the form of integration of 1 upon a square minus x square dx form. What will be that? It will be 1 upon 2a log of, what is the coefficient of x square? It is minus, so it will come in denominator. Okay, this is the formula. So you can convert this. How to convert? This 2 is a constant, so I am taking out. ठीक है, 2 constant है, बाहर लेकर आ गया, और ये माइनस नहीं 1 माइनस. ओके, 1 माइनस क्या मिला ब्रैकेट में मुझे मिलेगा टी स्क्वायर प्लस 2 root 3t. Okay, I have to add something to make this as perfect square. What will be that? Square this coefficient of t divided by 2 the whole square, which is nothing but root 3. Okay, root 3 the whole square. If I am adding here, I have to subtract also, so I will subtract 3 also. This is what is the adjustment is required. इससे क्या हो गया? इससे I have brought that in the format or proper format. What is that? It is dt upon 1 minus, this is what? This is t plus root 3 the whole square, and this minus into minus will become plus, and it will become 3. So here I can write directly 3 plus 1 is 4. समझा ना? This is minus into minus, this minus into minus, this will become your 3, and this 3 plus 1 will become your 4. So this is now integration of dt upon 2 square minus t plus root 3 the whole square. Okay, now you can directly apply the formula.
Yes, sir.
Now you can directly apply the formula. 2 upon 1 upon 2a log of coefficient of x square is minus, तो ये denominator में आएगा t plus root 3 upon 2 plus t plus root 3. ओके, लेकिन एग्जाम में, अच्छा फाइनल आंसर में लिखता हूं, उसके बाद में मैं स्टेटमेंट लिखता हूं, क्या बोलने वाला हूं मैं वो, that is equal to 1 by 2 log. So in exam, how you will going to do this? You will going to first think कि coefficient of x और coefficient of cos x क्या है. आपने देखा कि यहाँ पर root 3 है, यहाँ 1 है, तो आपको आप क्या करोगे, आप तुरंत यहाँ पर ऐसा ये बना लोगे, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे आप लिखोगे √3, ये तो √3 है ना, आप यहाँ पे डिवाइड बाय 2 करोगे, डिवाइड बाय 2, यहाँ भी डिवाइड बाय 2, यहाँ भी डिवाइड बाय 2, ठीक है। मतलब मैं क्या लिख रहा हूँ, मैं इसको ऐसा लिख रहा हूँ 1 अपॉन, ठीक है, 1/1/2 cos x माइनस √3/2, ओके, sin x, एंड दिस इज dx। ये समझ में आ गया क्या कर दिया है मैंने यहाँ पे, ठीक है। अच्छा,
Yes, sir.
अब हाँ, ये हमेशा ध्यान रखना है ऐसा। अब क्या करूं मैं, इसको मैं √3 मान लेता हूँ, ओके, ये √3 मान लेता हूँ और इसको मैं 1 मान लेता हूँ, तो ये क्या होगा, ये 2 होगा, ठीक है। तो आप यहाँ देखो, अगर 1/2 अगर आपको यहाँ लिखना है तो आप यहाँ पे ये ले लो, यहाँ पर ले लो आप थीटा, ठीक है, यू कैन टेक दिस थीटा हियर। तो cos of theta is what, cos theta is 1/2, and what is sin theta, sin theta is √3/2. Why I have taken theta here, because I want to make this as cos of theta plus x. That's what I want to make. Why I want to make that cos only, why I am not making it sin. You can make sin also, but then it will be sin of theta minus x. So to avoid that minus sign, I am taking this as cos of theta. Okay, so it will be what, it will be half integration dx. What is 1/2? It is cos theta, cos x minus sin theta sin x. You understood na why I am taking this, why I am taking cos x
Yes, sir.
cos theta, because I want plus sign. I want to avoid this negative sign. If you want, you can do that also, but don't do it. So this is what, this is cos of theta plus x, right? What is my theta? Okay, what is my theta from here? Can you find? Theta will be what? Theta is 60, na? Which is pi/3. Theta is 60, which is pi/3, because sine 60 is √3/2. Okay, so you can directly write this as, what is 1 upon cos? It is sec. It is sec of theta plus x dx. What is integration of sec? It is nothing but log of sec pi/4, log of sec pi/4 plus no, not, don't write pi/4 now. It is not pi/4 now. It is log of theta is na, it is theta na, theta plus x. Derivative of sec x is what? Derivative of sec x is sorry, integration of sec x is, it is log of sec x plus tan x, right? So I will write sec x, okay, plus tan x, tan theta plus x plus c. But then final answer will be what? 1/2 log of sec. What is my theta? Theta is what? What was that? Pi/3 na, 60 plus x plus 10 pi/3 plus x plus c. This will be your final answer. Got it? This can have multiple answer, but this is the simplest, and this is how you can do it.